So I just found out that the house that you are about to watch me wash used to be a brothel back in the late 1800s. So you can imagine a horse and buggy pulling up to drop off less than noble clientele for the ladies of the evening. There's a part of me that's glad I did not know that when I was washing the house. If walls could talk. Hey, how's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse, on location in Middletown, Ohio, about 15 minutes from my home, to wash this massive home. And let me tell you, this thing is absolutely disgusting. Dirt all over the place. Check out this backside. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. Little ladder work to get up onto the decks, but this should be an easy wash. Squirt is on property protection. We're all hooked up. We've got 200 feet of 3/8 pressure washing hose. We're shooting 12.5% downstreamed with a 2.1 injector, probably about 13:1 ratio. And check out this lichen. It's gonna melt it like butter. I'm real excited about this front porch area. This is gonna have a great result. I'm gonna get a close-up of this right here. It's nasty stuff. Go straight up from there. There you go. Oh my God, that's nasty. So you can see the dirt just rolling off right there. And these windows are absolutely horrid. Quite green up here, but I can get to everything easily from the ladder, so no crossing over for the fresh. One more reason to buy a Flow Pro. I'm in mix mode currently. Now I'm in rinse mode. Otherwise I would have to exit the ladder, then walk around to the truck just to go from soap to rinse. While she is soaping down that porch area, let's come back over and take a look at this area. After an application of SH, I gave it a little bit of rinse and a reapplication, and so far it's coming out good. We got to give it another heavy rinse, and we'll see if we can get this off. I don't know that any of that is coming off. Remember guys, it is a pressure washing wand, not a magic wand. So Michaela is practicing what we call mistance. We're getting a lot of residue through the weep holes and the ends of each vinyl section. And so instead of blasting it head on, she's covering it with a mist to get all that debris just to run down. Mistance from a distance. Inevitably, someone will ask how I came across this opportunity. I wash for this real estate company maybe once a year. They found me on Google a few years ago. My suspicion is that this home is going up on the market and they need it cleaned up. You can see it's in bad shape. Now our hope is to make it in such a good shape before we leave that the real estate company spreads our name and gives us lots of work. So as we bring this one to a close, I just talked to a neighbor across the street, and we will be washing both of these homes behind me in 2 weeks in preparation for paint. All right, we are done. This thing came out great. Let's walk around, take a final look. We'll see how everything came out. Of course, we remember this backside. It was hideous. And all the green is gone. And you'll remember all the lichen that was on this west side. It's all gone. Looks fantastic. Fantastic, I say. And the porch turned out phenomenal. Very, very pleased. Hey, we really appreciate you watching. If you like pressure washing videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell tab. We'll spend lots of time together, and it'd mean the world to me if you leave a comment or two. For Squirt, my name is Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.